Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a college email ID. Your college email serves as your primary link to the university, allowing access to vital information and crucial campus resources. It is much more than just an inbox. It is your digital passport for student life, unlocking many exclusive benefits. Understanding these simple steps thoroughly will certainly set you up for a smooth and successful academic journey. Before you can activate your college email, you will need to complete a few initial steps. First, officially accept your admission and pay any necessary enrollment deposits, confirming your commitment to the institution. Then, ensure you have your unique student identification number handy, typically available in your acceptance package or new student portal. These foundational steps are crucial for accessing your digital services. Activating your email is straightforward once your pre-enrollment is complete. Look for an Activate Email or New Student Account link on the university's main website or within your student portal. You will then be prompted to create a strong, unique password for your account, following specific guidelines provided. Remember to also set up two-factor authentication, an essential security measure, within a few days of activation. Sometimes, the problem might not be with your home network, but with Netflix's servers themselves. Before going through more complex troubleshooting, check the official Netflix Help Center or their social media pages. They often post updates if there are any widespread service disruptions or outages affecting their streaming capabilities for millions of users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.